Let's talk about how the Iranians are also seeking to overthrow America, not just through violence, but also through technology, cyber security. Headline
says cybersecurity experts say the U.S. should be prepared for potential cyber attacks amid a war in Iran. So now it's gone from a physical battle on the battlefield. Now it's a digital battle as well, right? It goes on in the headline. The one before, basically they're saying that America needs to be prepared for a more severe cyber attack, right? You can read that at your leisure, friends. America should be prepared. Last sentence on there. They warn that the U.S. should be prepared. They're telling you what we should be preparing for. So if they're telling you and preparing you, that means they know something is coming. We don't know how or when, but it's coming. All right, the next article.
It says the U.S. banks are on high alert for cyber attacks as Iran war escalates. How many of you, those of you online right now, have money in the banks? I'm sure all of us do. And they're saying this is the next place that the Iranians are going to target. So are we seeing that there's a financial crisis online? But yet they tell you, notice this, they tell you that there's coming a cyber attack. Even banks will be affected, but yet they're saying everything must go digital. How does that make sense?
Right.
The UN, the United Nations, even various nations around the world, they want everything to be digital, but yet the fear, the threat of cyber attacks is higher than ever.
Right. And we know from the World Economic Forum, the chair, or the old chair now, Klaus Schwab, he said that there is coming a great cyber attack that'll make the pandemic look like a small disturbance. So again, as you see the propaganda machine continuing to push out this narrative of coming cyber attack, it's continually driving fear into people's hearts. As they mentions the banks, everyone banks, it affects everybody. So what will that cause to people who have all of their money stored in the bank? I got to go and take out all my money.
Correct.
Right? But what if the bank says, no, you can't take out all your money? You're going to take out this amount of money. What's that going to do to people? They're going to start having now that animal-like mindset and turn on themselves. It's coming. It's interesting.